In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photo background using Adobe Firefly. We'll start simple and get professional results fast. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Adobe Firefly and look for the official Adobe Firefly site in the results. Click through to the homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal. Firefly runs best when you're logged into your Adobe account. On the Firefly homepage, click Generate. This takes you into Firefly's creative workspace. From here, choose Generative Fill. This tool is designed to edit images by adding, removing, or replacing elements with AI, and it's perfect for swapping a background while keeping your subject intact. Now upload the photo you want to edit. For best results, pick an image where the subject stands out clearly from the background with good lighting and contrast. Once your image loads, choose Select Background. Firefly will analyze your photo and automatically pick out the background area. If the selection needs a little help, use the refinement tools on screen to add or subtract areas so only the background is highlighted. Clean edges around hair and fine details will make the final blend look more natural. With the background selected, it's time to tell Firefly what you want. In the prompt field, describe the new background you're after. For example, change the background to New York City skyline. You can be more specific to guide the style and mood, like at sunset, warm golden light, realistic shallow depth of field. Matching the lighting and perspective of your original photo helps everything look cohesive. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. Firefly will create a set of variations that replace the background while preserving your subject. This may take a moment, so be patient. Processing time depends on your image size and the complexity of the request. Once the results appear, browse through the options. Look closely at edges, shadows, and color consistency. If something feels off, adjust the selection slightly or refine your prompt. Add details about weather, time of day, or camera style, and generate again. Small tweaks can dramatically improve realism. When you find a version you love, you've successfully changed the background using Adobe Firefly. Remember, clear selections, descriptive prompts, and patience are the keys to getting polished results. If you want different looks, simply reprompt and regenerate new variations without starting over. That's it, an easy, effective way to transform your photo background with AI while keeping your subject front and center. Enjoy experimenting and refining until it looks just right.